Hello guys, welcome back to Satoshi Fibs. Guys, in this video we're looking at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin market caps. Bitcoin market cap is currently at its 200-week moving average. Will this place act as resistance, or are we going to break through it and have that relief rally we have been waiting for? We'll also be looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. Guys, Bitcoin currently pumped above 20,000. It actually got to almost 22,000. Bitcoin got to as high as 21,800. But right now it looks like Bitcoin is reversing on itself. Use the Fibonacci retracement tool for the high we had in Bitcoin right here, and this was on the 15th of June 2022 to the bottom right here that came in 17,600. You can see that Bitcoin has had almost a full retracement. Bitcoin has gone through all this retracement level, and this is the line in the sand for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can pass 21,800, and the next level we'll be looking forward to Bitcoin passing is 22,900. Can Bitcoin pump to that level? And we've been under 22,900 since 16 June 2022. This is the highest Bitcoin has been in the last 3 weeks. Are we going to get rejected off here? I still believe the bottom is not in. We've talked about how we expected Bitcoin to come in. We expected the bottom of Bitcoin to come in around that $16,800 region. I still believe the bottom will still come in around that region. If you look at Bitcoin in a larger time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is still holding the previous all-time high. As expected, you expect the previous all-time high for Bitcoin to be a good support, but I still believe that we'll have one final dump that might take us to 16,300, and we use this Fibonacci retracement tool, and we saw that in previous cycles, anytime Bitcoin was finding its bottom, it's going to come to the 0.72 region of the previous cycle. Let's see how that predicted the bottom in 2018. How would have known that 3,200 was the bottom for Bitcoin in 2018? We've used the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top that came in 2013 to the bottom of the market that came in 2015. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, guys, what we notice is that when Bitcoin bottom was coming in, Bitcoin bottom came in around the 0.702 region, and it has happened 3 times in Bitcoin. Will this time be different? You can see that Bitcoin bottom came in around this 0.702 region, and it just happened that during that time the 200 moving average for Bitcoin was around 3,200, and that was the bottom of the market, and we had that relief rally that took Bitcoin back to $12,000. And will history repeat itself? I actually believe that Bitcoin is heading towards its 300 moving average. Let me put the 300 moving average, let you see this Bitcoin's chart on the weekly time frame. Each bar here represents 1 week for Bitcoin. If you go to the 300 moving average, you see that Bitcoin almost touched it during the COVID sell-off, and right now that Bitcoin 300 week moving average is currently at 16,800, and it just happens to be around that 0.72 region. So that's why I believe the Bitcoin bottom will come in. So let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been dropping. Bitcoin dominance got to a high of 48% on the 9th of June 2022. After that, Bitcoin dominance got rejected, and it has been rejected off that level multiple times. Right now it was rejected off that level at this point in time, rejected off that level at this point in time. We couldn't break through that 48.42% level. Now, are we heading back to the lower end of this region? Anytime we head to the lower end of this region, this has been when all season has happened in the market. This was May 2021, and this was September. We had another all season. Then we had another one in November, December 2022. Are we heading towards down? Or, guys, is it that we're just heading down because the stablecoin dominance is increasing? Because, guys, stablecoin dominance in the market is actually increasing well, and we've seen that anytime stablecoin dominance is increasing, it means Bitcoin is dumping. But right now, Bitcoin's dominance is increasing because Bitcoin is actually pumping. Yes, the rest of the altcoins are pumping, but Bitcoin is leading the way. And can Bitcoin sustain this pump? Will Bitcoin dominance increase? Only time will tell. We'll actually visit Bitcoin dominance chart in later videos. And right now, the Bitcoin market cap chart is at right now, this is the Bitcoin market cap chart, and Bitcoin market cap is around $412 billion. The 200-week moving average for Bitcoin market cap is around 421 billion. So we're actually almost there. I don't think we actually just got rejected off it. No, we have not touched it. And Bitcoin market cap got to as high as $416 billion. And the all-time high, 2018 all-time high for the Bitcoin market cap chart is around 328 billion. Can Bitcoin market valuation get to 328 billion? And will that be the bottom of the market? I think probably that might be the bottom, or we might see Bitcoin going below its 2018 all-time high on its market cap valuation, and we might see Bitcoin's market cap getting to maybe as low as 250 billion dollars. Only time will tell. I don't believe that we'll just actually pump out in a straight line because, guys, we have been dumping for a very long time, and even we're going to stay in this region, we'll probably just consolidate and stay a little longer in this region. And we can see that when the bottom for Bitcoin comes in, it's not just a V bottom. We actually get so many opportunities to buy the bottom. In 2018, 2019, early 2019, you had more than 3 months to buy the bottom right here. Bitcoin was ranging in this level, and I believe that maybe we'll get that kind of situation right here. You can actually predict what Bitcoin will do, but I believe that Bitcoin will still give you a chance to buy Bitcoin around this region. You have upward chance to buy Bitcoin from around 16,000 to around 22,000. Maybe for like 3-4 months we'll be stuck in that range. And you can see that the RSI, even in 2018, when the RSI was the most oversold, that was not when the bottom came in. The bottom came in after the RSI being oversold. And only time we tell if all these factors are going to combine to see Bitcoin drop to 16,800, because, guys, it's just funny that the 300-week moving average for Bitcoin is at 16,800. The 0.702 retracement level of the previous cycle is around that 16,800, and I believe that when Bitcoin actually starts setting a new low, let's say maybe Bitcoin takes out this 17,600, people will start getting scared. Oh my god, Bitcoin is going to 14,000, Bitcoin is going to 12,000. They'll start selling out at 16,000. And the funny thing is that a lot of people will not get scared right now if Bitcoin starts dumping. But if you look at the RSI, even on the 2-hour time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is oversold. Bitcoin is around 73. It got to as high as 80. And the last time Bitcoin was there was in May 31st, 2022. And, guys, that time Bitcoin was still trading at $32,000. And you can see that after that time, what happened? We had a massive dump in the market. So are we prepping up for a massive dump? Because I realized that on the 2-hour time frame, all the times we have had these tiny pumps that the Bitcoin RSI has gone to oversold on the 2-hour time frame. In the last like 2 months, we have actually just been priming for a massive dump. So are we priming ourselves for another massive dump? Only time will tell, guys. Drop a thought in the comment section where this Bitcoin bottom will come in. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. You can follow me on Twitter at Satoshi Fibs. See you guys in my next video. Bye.